You searched how to buy shares of CytomX Therapeutics Inc. CytomX is a clinical stage biotech listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CTMX, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy CTMX. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by submitting an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CTMX to locate the stock. Make sure you select the listing that shows CytomX Therapeutics Inc. on NASDAQ. On the stock page, you will find basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To buy, click Invest. Enter the amount you wish to purchase, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the trade. Once executed, your CTMX position will appear in your portfolio. Check there to monitor holdings and find the link in the description if you want to learn more.